Hello and welcome to PA Academy. In this video, we are going to be looking at volume and surface area of a sphere. So that is, we are going to be looking at how to calculate the volume and the surface area of a sphere. So first, let's draw a sphere. So this is the shape of a sphere. And then if in practical, some of the shapes that looks like a sphere is here. First, we have the earth. The earth itself is a sphere. Another example is a basketball. A basketball is also a sphere. And another one is bubble. So bubble, these three shapes was an example of objects that form a sphere. So now what are the formulas that are associated with a sphere? That is the volume. So to calculate the volume of a sphere, so the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 pi r cube. That is for the volume. So for the surface area, so to calculate the surface area of a sphere, the formula is 4 pi r square. So these are the two formulas that are associated with a sphere. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to look at an example that deals with these formulas. So this example says, find the surface area and volume of a sphere with radius 7 centimeter. Take pi to be 22/7. So if you are talking about pi is a constant, 22/7. So there are two values. We have 22/7 or 3.142. So 22/7 will give us 3.142. So they are both the same thing. But some question can ask specifically that, okay, take pi to be 22/7 or 3.142. Whichever value the question asks you to take, make sure you follow it. So if the question asks you to use 3.142, make sure you input 3.142 in your calculation, especially if you are dealing with theory, whereby you have to show your workings. So if the question asks you that, okay, you take pi to be 3.142, make sure you use 3.142, because if you use 22/7, you might be marked wrong for not following instruction. Although your answer is correct, but for not following instruction, you can be marked wrong. So let's do this solution. So the first thing we are looking for is the volume, and then the formula to calculate the volume of a sphere is giving us 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/. So we know the value of our radius, which is r, to be 7, and our pi is giving us 22/7. So let's input the value. That will be 4/3 times 22/7 times then our radius, that's 7 raised to power 3. That's 7 times 7 times 7. So if you should simplify this, so this 7 can divide this 7. So we'll be left with 4 times 22 times 7 times 7 over 3. So let's calculate that. So 4 times 22 times 7 times 7. So that's 4,312 divided by 3. So if you should divide it by 3, so the answer is 1,437.33. Then don't forget the units centimeter cube. We are dealing with volume, so it's in centimeter cube. So you can see it's very simple calculating the volume of the sphere. Once you're able to apply the formula 4/3 pi r cube, you will be able to get your answer. So now I want to rub it off so that I can solve for the surface area. So now we've gotten the volume, and then now is the surface area. So calculating for the surface area. So the formula for the surface area of a cone is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So we know the value of pi and then we know our r. So let's put in the values. That will be 4 times 22 over 7 times our r. So our r is 7 centimeter. So times 7 times 7. So this 7 can cancel this 7. So we'll be left with 4 times 22 times 7. Okay, just 4 times 22 times 7. There's nothing in the denominator. So let's put that, let's calculate that. So 4 times 22 times 7. So that's 616. So 600, that will give us 616 centimeter square. We are dealing with area, surface area, so the unit is in square. So with that, we've come to the end of calculating the volume and surface area of a sphere. In case you have any questions concerning this video, kindly leave them in the comment section below. If you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please kindly click on the subscribe button. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, kindly share this video, and then I'll see you in another video. Thank you.